Sing Along with Tony presents Sing Along with Tony Live, Crossing the Midline, an interactive musical show for ages 3 to 6.
Hello, and welcome to Sing Along with Tony Vision. Today, I'm here with the man himself, Tony. Welcome.
Thank you. It's great to be here.
So tell me, what exactly is Sing Along with Tony Live?
It's an interactive musical show that focuses on the theme of crossing the midline.
But what exactly do you do?
I travel to ECE centres and primary schools, and I teach the children action songs. I have some special characters and costumes to make it fun, and obviously all of the actions are designed to get the children crossing both the horizontal and the vertical midlines, like this.
I see. Now why exactly is crossing the midline so important?
Well, it's great for brain development. It helps the left and the right brain to communicate. And it develops eye muscles, and it develops the core muscles, and it helps to coordinate movement and learning.
And who is the show for?
It's perfect for 3 to 6 year olds.
Fantastic. And finally, how long is the show?
For the ECE centres, it's about 35 minutes. For the primary schools, it's around 45 minutes long.
Marvellous. Well, thanks ever so much for your time.
Well, you're welcome. It's been my pleasure.
Cheerio.
Bye.